So one thing no one prepares you for when it comes to wedding photography is how physically taxing it is. Just hands down, weddings are rough on your body. You're on your feet for 8 to 10 to 12 hours. You're barely drinking water all day. You're not eating at least until the reception. You have cameras around your neck, around your back. You're carrying your gear all day. It's so much on your body. So today, I want to share with you all 5 things you can do to recover after a wedding. Also, thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Stick around in the video to hear more about them later. So over my 7 years of being a wedding photographer, the one thing that really is absolutely the worst is getting home after a wedding and just feeling absolutely destroyed. Your feet hurt, your back hurts, your hand hurts. It's just really like such a hard day. You're hungry still, even though you just ate at the reception. Yeah, y'all better prepare yourself if you want to be a wedding photographer. But let's go ahead and get into these 5 tips on how you can recover after a wedding day. Starting out with stretching. Stretching and getting your muscles warmed up and just loose is hands down one of the best things to do after a wedding. What I'll do immediately after a wedding when I get home is back up all of my photos onto my computer, and while everything is importing and backing itself up, you can hit a quick stretch. 5 to 10 minutes makes a world of difference. Just do some general stretching, stretch out your ankles, your legs, your hips, and any arm and back stretches. Really, don't neglect this. And I know it can be hard because you're getting home from a wedding at like 11 p.m., 1 p.m., but really take the 10 minutes to stretch it out and help your body. You will feel so much better the next day. Next up is taking baths. Generally, the next day after I wake up and I'm super sore, I will take a nice hot bath to just relax my muscles from the wedding day. Things to make your baths more efficient: obviously make the water nice and hot, not too hot for your body, but something to loosen your muscles up. Get yourself some Epsom salt and throw a couple large spoonfuls of that in your bath. And if you want to get a little fancy, you can even get some bath bombs and throw that in there. Get some nice aroma going along with your Epsom salts. And if I really want to relax, I'll usually throw on a candle on the corner of my bath, turn the light off, and just like zone out. Because keep in mind, the recovery is not only physically, but mentally as well. Because on a wedding day, you're on like all day. You're performing basically in front of the couple and also their guest. And you got to remember what's happening. And you got the shot list. And you got the timeline. It's just so much is happening. So really, take a candle, turn that thing on, jump in your bath with the Epsom salts, turn off the light, and just forget about the world. The next thing most people don't think about, but get yourself some good vitamins and minerals. This stuff makes a huge difference, and obviously this is something you're doing before the fact. So I've recently been using Ritual for my vitamins, and honestly they make a huge difference because I'm not as sore as I used to be, which is kind of crazy honestly, but they're really awesome. You should check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. And also get yourself some magnesium. Magnesium usually helps your body relax and also helps you not be as sore. So the great thing about magnesium is you can take some of it before bedtime, and usually it'll relax you and get you ready for bedtime. And this is great because when you come back from a wedding, you're usually like amped up and you're just like, dun. So take some magnesium, stretch it out a little bit, drink some water, and at that point, you'll be ready for bed. Your photos are all backed up, and it's just really good. So really, get yourself a nice multivitamin and also get some magnesium. It makes a huge difference, really. Do it. Before we get into our next tip, let's take a quick moment to talk about this video sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is hands down the most important thing for working photographers. If you're a wedding photographer, portrait photographer, street photographer, you need a website and you need to get your name out on the internet. Squarespace is an online platform to help you build your website and share your portfolio to the world. And again, as a photographer, you have to have a website if you're looking to make money. Squarespace makes it easy to build your website with a large amount of templates already built for you. So all you have to do is add in your own content. On top of the templates, they also have great analytics and amazing commerce to help you sell prints or other merch. I've been on Squarespace myself personally for my whole business, and hands down, it is the most important part of my business. Make sure to use the link in the description below for 10% off of your first website or domain. Next up is get regular massages or a massage gun. So again, you want to do whatever you can to keep your body at top-notch performance. Getting massages again can help your muscles loosen up and keep them working well. We have to think of ourselves almost the same way as like sports athletes do. They're getting massages all the time because they're working their muscles super hard. And if you don't do this, things get too tense and you can actually hurt yourself. I recently bought myself a Theragun, and honestly, this thing is so good. I was doubting it for a while and I didn't want to spend the money, but I bought one, especially since I'm working out a lot now on top of my weddings. It's awesome. Like, really. Just don't worry about the price. It's totally worth it. Basically, this thing is a massage gun and you can get in all the deep tissue of all your muscle and loosen everything up, and it helps you not be as sore. Also on top of that, they have an app that goes along with the massage gun. So they have routines for you to do. So if you have no idea what you're doing, you can just use the app and go through their routines. And I did one earlier today, and it's like 12 minutes real quick, and you just and you hit different spots and you're good to go. Really, with me working out 5 days a week and also doing weddings, this thing has helped me not feel just totally horrible, because I can remember going to the gym in the past and not having this and just being sore all week. So then when a wedding would come up, I wouldn't work out because I'm like, well, I don't want to be sore at the wedding and have to carry my cameras, and then I would miss a whole day. But with the Theragun, that has not been a problem whatsoever. So I highly, highly recommend getting a massage gun, or again, getting regular massages. And last but not least, the best thing you can do for yourself to recover from a wedding is take the day off. Make sure you have regular days off. Really, you have to make them for yourself. I've said it before, but I generally do not work on Sundays. So because of this, I have a whole day to do nothing. I don't answer emails. I don't respond to clients. I don't edit photos. I don't touch my cameras. Nothing. I hang out with the family, have an amazing day, no work whatsoever. This is probably the most important thing you can do for yourself to recover, because especially let's say you have a Friday and Saturday wedding and you're just like beasted and you're tired and you're hungry and you're thirsty. Take Sunday off. Don't do anything. Take a bath, drink a lot of water, use your massage gun, and just feel better. Because again, wedding photography is extremely physical, and if you don't do these things for yourself, you're gonna pay for it in the end. Or even if you're like myself and you're a little bit up in age, I'm not old at all, but I'm getting close to 40, like, weddings are hard on your body. I'm not 20 years old anymore, and I feel these things when I'm done. So I really have to make sure I recover well so that I'm not just totally beasted all week and then I can't stay productive throughout the rest of the week. So those are my 5 tips for recovering after a wedding. Do you think you could see yourself doing any of these for recovery, or do you have your own rituals you do for your recovery? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you all do to recover after a wedding day. Don't forget to hit the like to let me know you enjoyed this information, and subscribe for more wedding photography information, and I will catch you all next time. All right, peace.